Today is the 12th, is it? Okay, hi everyone. Today is April 12th. April 12th. And this is the Clayton home in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. So it's about 2 months since they started the installation from digging. So this is the scale. We've had a lot of rain. This is the staircase. Wow. So much mud and splatter. Mud. Wow. So we just want to see what has been done. So we are in springtime. And mud is good. I say mud. Rain is good because the farmers will be happy. So we can't fault them on that. So this looks like the staircase. Okay. I think the rain is slowing down some of the work, but this seems to be what they plan to do. Okay. The ladders are all down. Wow. I hope we round up this work quickly. They haven't done that staircase. Okay. Yeah. Not much is being done. So we'll give them another week or 2 weeks. I wonder what's growing here. My beautiful flower there has died. Yeah, we've had a lot of rain. Rain last week, rain this week. So I just want to come and put a padlock on that shed there. And we'll be gone. Yeah, it's very muddy and slippery. Be very careful. Hopefully it will be very beautiful very soon. And you all say, oh, we were there when they started the project. Yeah, that is what we have. So, just going to put the padlock. Now, I need to call the fence, those who make the fence, to give us a quote to have a fence around this place. And also I need to call the gas company, not gas, well, gas, propane gas company. They are going to be installing, because Clayton doesn't do that for you, you have to do that yourself. So you get your propane gas, because we'll be using gas for the house. So the only difference from the last time he came is the staircase that is being installed. So till next time. Till next time. Okay, bye.